Is chiropractic care safe? Chiropractic care is safe, and it's a very effective form of healthcare for many people. It's a non-invasive, drug-free way to alleviate pain, improve function, and promote healing. Chiropractors are trained healthcare professionals who specialize in the diagnosis and treatment of musculoskeletal conditions such as back pain, neck pain, and headaches. We use a wide variety of techniques such as manual adjustments to realign the spine and relieve pain. We provide advice on lifestyle and exercise to help patients maintain their health and prevent future problems. While there can be some mild discomfort or soreness following a treatment, serious complications are very rare. It's always best to consult with your doctor or chiropractor to determine if chiropractic care is right for you.